Chapter 6. No service, no signal, all servers down. One morning, Mother's phone alarm didn't work. I got up late, Father didn't go for his morning walk, and I was given money to buy lunch from the school canteen. Buses arrived late at school because drivers had overslept. The lessons were also different that day. We missed our computer class because for some reason the computers just did not start. That actually turned out to be fun because our physical education teacher took us out to the playground for a game of football. That's what he did all day. Whenever a class had to go to the computer lab, they went out and played cricket or football or practiced drills for sports day. I think our physical education teachers were quite tired at the end of the day. I reached home and got ready to have a snack and watch cartoons on TV.
Mother, there is something wrong with the dish. The message on the TV screen says no signal.
Yes, that is what it has been saying the whole day. I rang up Sky TV and all I got was a message, "We are sorry for the inconvenience. Our services will be restored shortly." That was 4 hours ago. Nothing has happened so far. I couldn't see my favorite TV serials, but then I had time to make your favorite dessert, carrot halwa.
Oh, that is so nice, Mother. You haven't made carrot halwa in a long time.
What happened at school today, Rahul?
We played football. We don't play football very often. I realized that playing games is such fun. What was not so nice is that the girls' team defeated us.
Rahul, that just shows that you must play more football.
Maybe I should play more football, Mother. You know, Mother, Miss Rai taught us how to divide using big numbers today. I even went up to the blackboard and worked out a difficult problem. It was fun.
Since you can't watch TV, why don't you go and have a nap, Rahul?
No, Mother. I have borrowed a storybook from the library. I will start reading it.
So everything was different that day. I told Mother about all that happened in school. I read all the stories in my library book that afternoon. They were so interesting. Our librarian is going to be really happy. I take 1 week to read a book most of the time as I spend the whole afternoon watching TV. Father came home early that evening.
Our computers were not working today for some unknown reason. I couldn't complete my work at the office, but it worked out well actually. I could clear out my desk and complete my filing and paperwork. I will just make a few phone calls and then we can sit in the garden for a while.
Make a few phone calls? Is your phone working?
Why? Are the phones not working?
Of course not. Nothing is working. Even my radio is not working. I did tell you to let us have a landline, but you said we didn't need one. Now we can't speak to anyone.
Is there any urgent call you need to make, Malti?
My mother was not well last night. I did want to find out how she is today.
Let's go and see Nani, Mother. We haven't seen her since a long time. Yes, that would be nice. Malti, let's make something nice for dinner. We can carry it to their house and have a meal together.
I shall do that. That is a good idea. That evening, Mother packed a basket of food for our dinner. We bought some fruit on the way and were soon at Nani and Nana's house. They were really happy to see us.
I went for a walk in the park. I have never seen so many people walking around. Children were running around. This no service and no signal day has been a good experience.
Yes, I feel better too. Many of my friends came to visit me this morning.
And I noticed one thing. Nani's friends usually sit in a circle and keep looking at their smartphones. These ladies have become so busy with their phones that they don't talk to each other. Today, it was different. They chattered so much that they forgot to look at their watches. They didn't go home till one of them said it was time for lunch.
We all laughed. I am the only one who doesn't have a smartphone. You better get me one.
But what if the aliens have attacked our servers, TVs, and smartphones, and we never ever get our signals back again?
There was silence and then we all laughed again.
That won't be so bad. We're either talking on our phones or listening to the radio or watching TV. We have had such fun talking together as a family today. Let's hope the aliens have switched off all the systems forever.